Audio CD 2, Track 35, Word Focus. 1. Vendor. Henry usually gets his evening meal from the street vendors near the MRT station.
2. Traditional. Kelly is a lot less traditional than her grandmother.
3. Souvenir. We bought this toy koala as a souvenir of our trip to Australia.
4. Own. Mick owns a little house in the country.
5. Quality. If you want quality, you'll have to pay more for it.
6. Dozen. I need eggs. Could you pick up a dozen while you're at the store?
7. Piece. Nick wants another piece of chocolate.
8. Offer. The price they offered for our house is unacceptable.
9. Haggle. In the night market, you need to haggle to get a good price.
10. Jewelry. Jacob's wife is always losing items of jewelry.